Not understand Tagalog, who cannot understand Tagalog speak? Sabi niya, pass ka ng kamay. Sino yung hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog? Or ng English? You cannot understand Tagalog speak? Opo daw. Okay. Already? So, pag tinanong ko ng malakas, sagot kayo ng malakas. What is your name?
Arsenio!
Kaninong anak po? Kanino pong anak si Arsenio? Nandito po ba yung mommy and daddy or daddy? Wala po yung mommy and daddy nito? Sino po? Oh, you're the mommy? That's cool. Kaya niya yung sarili niya? Ikaw din, kaya mo na din yung sarili mo eh. Pakilagay nga po natin, ilapit natin. Yan. Sige. The next one, what is your name?
Excelente!
High blood ba itong mga bata ito? Sabi ko, ilakas na. Oh, okay. Baba mo yan natin. Ano pangalan mo?
Z.
Z. I see. What do you want to be? Doctor. How about you? Dentist. The next one? Nurse.
Seaman.
Seaman.
Police.
Police. Doctor.
Police.
Police.
Doctor.
Doctor. Teacher.
Sundalo.
Attention. Attention. Kaliwa yan. Mali. Kanan. Oh, pag sinabi kong attention, kailangan mabilis. Attention. High five. Okay ka ba dyan? What is your ambition to be when you grow up? What do you want to be?
Soccer player.
Hindi, natatakpan tayo. Hindi makapag-react yung nasa likod eh. To become a soccer player, right? Right or left?
Right.
Very good. Natatakot akong paningin ko. Nananakit po ba yung anak niyo? Kaya kinakalmahan ko lang, nagre-relax lang ako. Ikaw, ano gusto mo maging paglaki?
Sundalo.
Sundalo! Psychiatrist, dumapit lang ako, psychiatrist. May sura na ba ako sa ulo? Psychiatrist? Sinigang na?
Baboy.
Sinigang na?
Baboy.
Speechless ako. Okay, so listen very carefully kids. Our next game is what we call tongue twister. So when you say royal, so all you have to do is say royal. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so all you have to do is say royal. So answer louder. Go!
Royal.
Next one.
Vegan.
Sabihin mo nga, royal!
Royal.
Attention! Very good. Sika dito. Sabi mo nga, royal! Dito yung tinatanong siya! Sumasagot ka eh. Stop ka na. Relax! Royal!
Royal.
I need answer louder ha. Royal!
Royal. 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 Royal.
Eh! Ito na uso yung A na yan eh. Royal!
Royal. Royal.
Yan. Royal!
Royal. Royal.
Very good. At the back. Say royal!
Royal. 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 Royal.
Okay, so I need answer louder ha. Alright, so the next word is what we call Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Say Mississippi. Kaninong anak? Okay, paupuin. Mapasensya na kayo, trabaho lang ako ha. Baba mo yung kamay mo. Sabi mo, Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Okay, upo. Missy. Uy, parang may lagnat po. Parang mainit po siya. Siyempre, buhay po eh. Di mainit po. Malamig lang na. Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Apo. Mississippi. Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Sika dito. Next one. Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Galing. Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Mississippi. Opo. Have a seat. Mississippi!
Mississippi. Mississippi.
Charot lang. You're supported ba? Your daughter? You. Mississippi!
Mississippi. Mississippi. Mississippi.
Mississippi!
Mississippi.
Po. Okay, this is tayo dito ng konti. Attention! Kanan, ba? Ulitin natin. Attention! Yan. Say happy birthday, Sophia!
Happy birthday, Sophia!
Next one!
Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia!
Wala na pala. Alright, so palakpakan naman natin sila. I'll be giving this prize. Alright, so thank you very much for joining. Alright, so what will you say?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Sige, Happy New Year too. Opo ka na. Yan, this is for you.